Most of Minnesota's planting has been stuck in neutral thanks to rainy conditions through late April and well into early May. Farmers made good progress in many areas of the state during a dry period in April, but since then, not much has happened.
The last 10 days, 3 to 3.5 inches of rain, 7 out of 10 days with rain. That's also kept our soils a little cooler than what we'd like for the crops that are in. We are at the point now where our average soil temp is about 55, 57 degrees. We're a little bit below that, not much. We're at about 54 degrees. By the middle of the month, that's more like 60 degrees. We are now to the time when soil temperature becomes much less of a concern than soil conditions.
The latest USDA crop report estimates 42% of the state's corn crop is planted, which is ahead of last year and the 5-year average. About 17% of the state's soybeans are in the ground. At the University of Minnesota Southern Research and Outreach Center in Waseca, corn that was planted in early April has emerged, while corn planted in late April has sprouted but not yet emerged. U of M researcher Tom Hoverstead says the needed growing degree units are starting to accumulate.
We've put some corn in as early as April 5th. That corn is up, and we've had about 160 growing degree units since the 5th of April. I calculated since the 10th, we're looking at more like 120. Since the 20th of April, we've had about 100 growing degree units, and that's about when you start looking for corn. My motto is start looking at about 100 growing degree units. By 125 growing degree units, you should see something.
While little field work has happened in recent weeks because of wet soils, Hoverstead says it's no time to panic.
Not time to panic yet. Be nice to get something done this week. Doesn't look like the forecast is going to help us there. But the week of May 10, the 10th to the 20th of May is a fine time to be planting most of our crops.
This is Dan Lemke reporting.